welcome back to Opar's World. So today, I think this is another secret. I think you guys don't even know this, but I, down here, can do skating. Oh no, where am I going? Oh no, I don't want to go anywhere. So I have my student, Adrian, and he's going to be joining me on today's video. And so, let's show our viewers how we do this. So, yesterday we gave him like lesson number 1. Today we're going to just give him lesson number 2. Just starting to roll. Okay, you guys want me to show you how I do it? Okay, well, here you go. I need to make sure to keep a lookout. Whee! This is so much fun. Whoa. Where am I going? I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to go the way I want to go. So anyway, so today my student is trying to do what I do. Just roll. Let me go to the first. So that's where he is so far. Just walking like a penguin. And he's starting to roll a bit. And he's doing a very good job, and he's a great student. I have no idea what to call him. Student. I don't know. IDK something. So yeah, just around here, I'm teaching him to do this. He's a bit nervous, but yeah, he has very high hopes that one day he's gonna make it and just rotate around the whole entire earth. So you might see him if you live in Taka or somewhere. Because he's gonna be rotating after he learns. So yeah, I honestly don't know what to do with today's video, but I want to make a video, so here I am making a video. I'm gonna go there, but I need to be careful because there are bumpy spots and not so much. This side and back. If you guys know how to do this, then make sure to keep a lookout for bumpy spots. Because that's what I'm doing. You have to be very careful because there are no food surfaces. This is the only small place in the world for us to find. And you must be wondering why I'm not wearing a face mask. It's because it's so hot. Hot. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash the like button and hit the notification bell. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Bye bye. Skate shoes. Bye.